Hey, what's up, family? How you doing? How's it going? Today we will discuss about three moral auxiliaries that we use commonly. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. What does it mean? So there are so many people they were just saying coulda, woulda, shoulda. So and this كمزي قبر نيرة إياه خلت نيرو قلت opportunity missing opportunity لو كان opportunity miss كم زجاور خاطر قال لها coulda I could have done like this. woulda دما خمزي تزقبر نيرة after could زجاور خيام أتي coulda woulda shoulda نزلنا سلسلة قللسا after could نيرة opportunity تزقبر نيرة همزة عند results and real results زي زمس خير result would have make it would have gone to university like this. خمسة أو كنت تزقور نيرسي أودها كساخ على نيرات شرات هون regret نيرك I should have studied hard كذا نيرني لفتين برسونا ياخد نيرة لازم عنون قم كذا نيروا خذ قنتين كودا ودا الشرع كودا ودا الشرع تنون الحلفنا بقر حلفنا let's move on let's continue life is continuing don't regret what is already done مالتي I think أنا بقى نزخنا بكسات جنا كودا ودا الشرع خون نيروا قبر نيروا قنفا I take قبرنا خذون አይተጨናና አንናል ንግላጽ ምችሊ በሞራል አግዝራድ ብስምህ ዘለ ንመጽክሚያ subscribe for this channel Honeycomb English forever. Hey everybody, thank you.